of the box. It's called Polly Pocket Zipline Surprise, and the toy manufacturer is Mattel. For the zip line, and then there's a wheel that connects to the zip line right here, and she will go down the zip line right here, and when she hits this, it will knock this part right here will be up here, and it will knock it over, and I'll show you guys that later, but it will knock this over, and there will be a monkey in it, and the monkey will go flying, and then it will go down here. She'll go down here. When she hits this, the dog will be in there, in the boat, and she'll hit this, and the dog will go down the slide, and then she'll come down here, right there, and keep going down here. If you see there, you see that knob. It is a knob. If you push it like this, she's gonna land there, and she pushes it, and then it dumps the water out. Okay, this is a picture of it. First, we're going to start with the monkey. We're going to watch the monkey. So as I told you, she'll come down here and she'll hit this lever right there, and it will pull this down. So here's what it will look like. You'll twist it up here. Let me do it. You twist it up here. Just keep going. And then once she hits it, it will fall down like this. And that's how it goes. And then make sure when it's at the top, you load the monkey in. You might want to put down a towel because sometimes it gets wet.